what's the latest on Sikandar Vada?
Sajid is a very good narrator. When he's narrating your story, he feels it. तो जब वो मुझे सुना रहे थे, वो खुद भी रो रहे थे, मैं भी रो रही थी, just like Kick.
How do you look at this level of hunger that Salman has?
He keeps saying, अरे मैं ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं, I will make sure I'll give them run for their money. देखना grandson, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ अपने सिकंदर से ये करेंगे, फाड़ डालेंगे and all that.
Rashmika is opposite Salman sir in Sikandar.
He's a very good-looking man and she's a very beautiful woman. Hi, this is Vardhana Adyadwala and you're watching Connect Cine with Faridun, one and only Faridun.
And the industry badly needs like a big bonanza film, and hopefully that should be happening with Sikandar as well. Murugadoss, I think a fantastic director.
Oh, he's fine.
Yeah, in fact, Amir said about Murugadoss that he looks like maybe slightly, if you look at the height wise, and he looks very, very simple like a boy.
Yeah.
But he precisely knows what he wants, and he can be a taskmaster till the time he actually gets it. And he's had some really big successful films. So what's the latest on Sikandar Vada?
It's going to be a beautiful film. मतलब जब साजिद मुझे ये स्टोरी सुना रहे थे, तो he took long pauses. He was crying. तो साजिद is a very good narrator. When he's narrating your story, he feels it. तो जब वो मुझे सुना रहे थे, वो खुद भी रो रहे थे, मैं भी रो रही थी, just like Kick. You know, like Kick, if you hear certain portions, it just leaves you in tears कि अरे ये इतना जज्बाती होके कोई किसी के लिए कुछ करना and अपनी जान को दांव पे लगाना and all that. So even with this film, when he was narrating me, he was crying, then he was taking long pauses, breathing, and then starting, and then he's like, then Sikandar and this, that. So I'll give away a lot of story if I say much. But so yeah, Murugadoss, I met him a couple of times. So I've just observing these people talk. तो वैसे तो he's very smiling and अच्छी सी होती है. But when he starts talking about his movie and all that, तो वो एकदम एक अलग इंसान दिख रहे थे मुझे. Just like how Sajid is.
Salman Khan has achieved so much in his life, in his career, but the level of ambition that he still has, the way he approaches all his projects, it's absolutely surreal and brilliant. How do you look at this level of hunger that Salman has?
I think it is. I think he's always been like that. Now I think with all of them. Now look at Shah Rukh also. Jawan. He's given some amazing movies. Akshay. So these guys, I think, gone are the days like Rajnikant sir also, Thalaivar. Just look at his enthusiasm for life, yeah. Like the other day when I met him, he's so charged. ये करते हैं, साजिद वो करते हैं, ऐसे करना चाहिए. He's got so many plans. And when he talks about movies, तो उनकी आंखें हो जाती है. Even Salman, like, he's also a go-getter. He's very excited about life. He's excited about everything in his life. I think he's so passionate about his work. वो रात के दिन के किसी भी वक्त उन लोग जब बात करते हैं when I see Sajid and Salman, his light, उनकी आंखें चमक जाती है. And अभी भी I think he keeps saying अरे मैं ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं, I will make sure I'll give them run for their money. देखना grandson, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ अपने सिकंदर से ये करेंगे, फाड़ डालेंगे and all that. So it's very exciting and it's very मुझे तो बहुत मजा आती है to whenever I see these guys talk के it's the same. I think मुझे पता नहीं स्टार्टिंग में क्या था बट यही होगा जब से मेरी शादी हुई है. आई हैव सीन द सेम. जो मुझसे शादी करोगी से मैंने एक्साइटमेंट देखा है कि ग्रैंडसन फाड़ देंगे, पिक्चर तो ऐसी बनाएंगे, ग्रैंडसन ये करता हूँ वो करता हूँ, आप बताओ. किक, जस्ट सी व्हाट दे डिडंट किक टुगेदर, साजिद एंड सलमान. सो आई मीन आई थिंक साजिद की एज अ डेब्यूटेंट 200 डबल सेंचुरी हुई थी एंड आई थिंक इट वाज सलमान's also ना फर्स्ट 200 किक, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah, I don't know what. I think they are all very passionate about their work, which is why they've survived for so long, na Faridun.
And people have been waiting for Kick 2 for the longest period of time.
ओ गॉड टेल मी अबाउट इट। ट्विटर पे तो मेरे इतने पीछे पड़ते हैं ना उन लोग को लगता है जैसे कि मैं ये दुश्मन हूँ। आई एम ओनली नॉट स्टार्टिंग इट, बट यू नो बिकॉज द प्रेशर ये होता है कि यू नो बिकॉज नॉट दैट साजिद डजंट वांट टू मेक केक, ही इज गॉट इट इन हिज हेड एंड ऑलमोस्ट क्रैक भी हो गई थी केक। But then again, Sajid bhai feels like, नहीं मुझे और करना है ना. It's because of the fans. I think they put so much pressure on him. अब उनको लगता है कि मुझे बहुत जबरदस्त और इससे बड़ी करनी है. तो इससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी के चक्कर में वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. I think fans should take it slightly easy and say कि just bring cake, we will like it. Just bring Devilal. But I think yeah, but he is writing it and it is a very beautiful script. But I think after Sikandar, hopefully that should go on floor.
नहीं, बट आई थिंक साजिद भाई इज़ लाइक अ, जैसे आप परफेक्शनिस्ट भी कह सकते हैं और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन भी कह सकते हैं. लाइक ही इज़ लाइक ही थिंक्स अ लॉट. ही इज़ लाइक ही रियली मे बी ओवर थिंक्स. एंड मे बी आई थिंक शायद वो जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है फिल्म से, सीक्वल से, मे बी दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ क्वाइट अ लॉट एक्चुअली.
Really. वो हर फिल्म को लेके ऐसी होते हैं फरीदून. If you see most of his films recently also, he मतलब takes a long time. वो स्क्रिप्ट को 1000 बार पढ़ेंगे and if you know like 10th 11th time भी if the script is exciting him, that's when he says let's go ahead and do this. So that's what.
Okay, Rashmika is opposite Salman sir
Yeah.
in Sikandar. So अभी online जैसे मैंने post किया तो you know people they come up with, and I feel that maybe शायद maybe I think it has done to that this entire thing. Age difference क्या है, ये है वो है.
हाँ.
And so in fact I made a video as well कि that you know it is how they are looking on screen. It's a make believe.
Yeah.
अगर वो शादीशुदा अगर हैं तो वो actual real life में तो शादीशुदा नहीं है. So
Correct.
why is it that you have this notion of the age factor? As long as they are looking convincing. अगर convincing नहीं है तो problem है.
Absolutely.
देवानंद साहब और जीनत अमान जी हीरा पन्ना में what they have done, the fact is they look really good together. तो आप
Absolutely.
कैसे देखते हो इस ये जब arguments जब आप देखते हैं सब when you look at it, how do you respond to it?
You know, I feel people, they have the right to say what they want to, but hopefully, God willing, when they'll see their pair on screen, they'll be like, "Arey yaar, हमने क्या सोचा था, and why did we say whatever we said?" Because they look fantastic. If you've seen the previous videos of Salman and Rashmika together, वो small tidbits जो बीच में आ रहा था when Rashmika was signed, I think they looked so beautiful together.
Yeah.
And he's a very good looking man and she's a very beautiful woman. I think, you know, together, वो age factor, I don't know in today's age and time how people could really talk about age. Age is just a number. You know, the girl could be 20, 10, 15 years younger than the boy. Nowadays, the boys are like 10, 15 years younger than the girls. How does it matter as long as they're looking compatible and good together? And I'm sure
Absolutely.
Rashmika fits this character to T when they'll see her on screen and when they'll see their chemistry together. I'm sure we're going to get a lot of applause that what a pairing. बहुत अच्छी pairing आप लोगों ने लाई हमारे लिए.